Okay, here today I'm gonna make a review of actually not a review but more of tips for you guys who are new to Android and do not know what to download for your Android phones. So I got a list of apps that is useful for you guys who want to enough for browsing, cleaning your old data, fast launcher, flash playback, and speed test for you guys want to check whether if your speed is how fast is your download speed of your 3G. So let's begin. So first thing, I would recommend you to use a launcher. Which launcher do I prefer? I prefer the ADW. First, it's light. That means it only takes up a few megabytes of your internal storage or your SD card if you move to your SD card. So it's damn fast, better than Launcher Pro, because Launcher Pro, when you use white color wallpaper pictures, it will come out this zigzag thingy. It's not quite nice, so I don't quite like Launcher Pro. Go Launcher to me is complicated. I hate it. Other than that, I can't think of any launcher, but to me ADW is the best because it's easy for you to add any home screens. You can add home screen easily by tapping the plus button sign and cancelling it by the small red button. You can also edit it. Just go to settings under ADW launcher. You have a lot of options for you to customize your ADW launcher. So that's one for you guys who are new to Android. Second is Maid. For you guys who just started Android, whose phone isn't rooted, Maid would work for you quite good. When you launch the app, just install. You go to the Android market and just download it, install it. After you install it, you will have these few options. For non-rooted phones, you don't have much options that were given. Let's say corpse finder system. For you guys who are rooted, right, you have a lot of options with this app. But for just normally, you can just click check corpse finder, which is basically what it does is corpse that is lying in your SD card, which are apps that you rarely use and long time never use, but you didn't delete it. So just go under corpse finder, click it, press check, and clean it all. So you clean your content of the unwanted apps perfectly. Takes quite some time. Okay, never mind, we just skip this part. Next thing is, for you guys who want a smooth browser, who doesn't want to use your stock browser, which is quite boring or not that fast, you can try Skyfire Browser. You can download this from the Android market. Well, all that I say is from the Android market, so you don't have to worry, and all of the apps are free. So just go to the Android market and download it all. Okay, as you can see, Skyfire, you have different options. You have this menu where you can write your forward, find on page, select text, add shortcut, share page, setting, download, spread the word, report video problem, and help. Other than that, you will have this toolbar at the bottom and you have this toolbar on top. So this is home. You can see this is home. Just click on it, it will go back to your home page. This star is your bookmarks and your history. So when you click on it, you can add your bookmarks or erase your history down here. So when you go back, you have this option. If you have extra window, let's say I click on it, and you can delete either one that you are not using, so just click on this one and go off, and that's about it. You can try and explore, and here is the toolbar that I was saying just now. You can edit it, so it's better, so it's more user friendly for you guys. This app is what I recommend the most, because this will be very useful for you guys who usually browse the internet. Okay, so next is Adobe Flash Player. This Flash Player is for you guys who wants to play Flash on your phone. If your phone doesn't have, for mine is ARM6, so you need to go into XDA developers and find ARM6 Flash Player, because ARM6 is supposed not to play Flash, but they manage it to mod the Flash Player so that you can play Flash on your phone. So after Adobe is speed test. Speed test is what I really use most of the time when I'm using 3G, because I want to check whether it's fast, slow, is it working, or and so on. And click begin test. So now I'm testing my Wi-Fi strength. As you can see, my Wi-Fi strength isn't that good. It's going down to 7 megabytes. Okay, going 7, 8 around there. So this would be the last app that I will recommend for you guys who are new to Android to download it from the Android market, which is free. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. This is Android Hacker here, signing off.